Alrighty guys, this is the elevator here at the Comfort Inn here at Dickinson. We have ourselves an Otis with the no door 2. Damn, that was a loud motor. I'm going up back upstairs again. That's probably one of the loudest Hydrofits I've ever been on. Jeez, that's really loud. New Series 2 is a relatively nice elevator for a Comfort Inn. They installed this when they were doing massive renovation. Zoom you out. Hold the door for them, okay?
Let's go in.
Oh. Thank you.
You bet.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Here it goes. Watch this. Well, it's not even loud, even out here. It was really loud inside.
I don't need coffee. I'll have a handful anyways.
Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.